exciting news. Ever since 33 years history of IELTS, it is One Skill Retake program. Hereafter you are not required to bother about taking all 4 subjects together in IELTS. If you are not satisfied with one particular module, you don't want to do all 4 subjects together, then selected module you can take separately. After few days of the certain number of days, you are eligible to retake the module. You will have separate date for each module. For one selected module, examination fee will be approximately 40% of the total exam fee. The particular module will have a separate TRF, and also this program will be launched globally by March 2023. This will be launched by IDP Australia, and this pilot program already launched in many cities in Australia. All an opportunity for IELTS candidates all around the world. For more detail, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website.